Hey my officials, welcome back to another video, and welcome if you're new. If you're new here, my name is Michelle. I do beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos here on my channel, so welcome to my channel. And in today's video I am here to do a review from Dossier. They reached out to me a little bit about the brand. It is a French brand, and what they do, they basically reproduce luxury scents. So perfumes that cost, let's say $250, they reproduce those scents. In essence, it's more of their scents are inspired by very expensive luxury perfumes. So without further ado, now that we have gotten all of that out of the way, let's get into what I ended up getting from them. And one thing I just need to let you guys know is that I am not a perfume connoisseur. So for me, perfumes just need to smell nice. If it's something that I like, something that I'm drawn to, I'm gonna get. But they do have the top notes, the base notes, the middle notes. If you are interested, you'd be able to know the different ingredients in each, and you'd be able to see what is it that you would like. So I kind of just want to make that disclaimer, because you know, I can't go into the notes and all of these different things just because I'm not that person. So yeah, I just need to make that disclaimer. So now let's actually get into the perfumes that I got. So the first scent that we're going to be speaking about is the Gourmand White Flowers, and this particular scent, this is how the full bottle looks. The bottle does have the top notes, the middle notes and the base notes on there, and then it has what the actual scent is, which is Gourmand White Flowers. And this particular scent is inspired by Viktor and Rolf. I really wanted to try the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb, so I decided when they reached out to me that I was definitely gonna get this as a scent. This is the bottle. It's just very simple and sleek. I personally like any brand that is very sleek, especially certain brands like, you know, skincare, perfumes. Having something very sleek, I feel like it's essential, or it's a must, especially when it comes to like perfumes and skincare and stuff like that. So let's test this particular. Alright guys, so this smells so nice. Oh my god, it smells so nice. As you guys could see, I kind of sprayed it on my neck and stuff. I really like it. My take on it so far is it's not too strong. I think it's very subtle. I feel like I will be using a lot of this. I think this is something that I will definitely be wearing in the summer, maybe if I'm going to brunch, or I'm just going out in the daytime. I think this is more of a daytime perfume. It is not how do I put it, it's not strong, it's not sweet. You know, sometimes when you get like inspired perfumes, they're kind of sweet and cheap like. This is not cheap like at all. It smells very rich, and they have a wide variety for you to choose from. So if you want to try something on the unisex side, they also have for men. So this would be a good gift to give your boyfriend if you are balling on a budget, and it's also something good to give your girlfriend. For guys that are watching this video, if you're balling on your budget, I think she would appreciate it. I know I would appreciate this because it smells so good. So this is basically my review of the Gourmand White Flowers. I personally really like it. I love how it smells. I love the fresh and subtle smell of it. It's not strong at all, and it's definitely something that I would suggest you wear in the daytime. So the next perfume that I'm going to be speaking about is the Floriental Almond, and again the bottle is technically just the same as the previous one, and this one is inspired by Carolina Herrera. I hope I'm pronouncing her last name correctly, and it is in the Good Girl. So let's test this one out. Okay, so this one, what is my take on this one? This one smells less, it is weird because to me it's not as subtle as the first one, the Gourmand white flowers. All right, so this is something that I would also wear in the day, but I will also wear this in the nighttime. So I think this particular scent I can interchange depending on how I feel, but I truly like this. Something about it, I don't know if it's the cocoa in it or the cacao in it, but it's a little bit stronger, although the concentration is less than the Gourmand white flowers. But this one is the Floriental Almond, and I truly like this one. So I would definitely recommend you guys getting both. Again, it does not smell cheap, it's very luxury like, and I think this is a very affordable way to smell good. You know, personal hygiene for women I think is very important, and this is also a way if you can't afford to go out and buy expensive perfumes. And also some people don't want to spend a lot of money on perfumes, $280, $300, $400 on perfumes. I think this is definitely a good way that you can purchase these items for only $29, and if you don't like it, you're able to return it. So this is basically where I'm going to end my video. My review is I would recommend you guys trying out Dossier. Again, thank you Dossier for sending me over these two items. I will be leaving the ones that I got in my description box below, and I will also leave the link to their website in my description box below. And I also have a discount code which is officially Michele, with officially Michele 10 actually, that you'll be able to get 10% off, and I will be leaving that in my description box below. Dossier also has this special where if you purchase 3 or more, you can get 25% off of the scents, the luxury scents that you are interested in getting. So if it is that you want to start off, I would recommend, of course, using my discount code to get 10% off. And then if you want to purchase 3 or more, you can use that 25% discount code, where you'll be able to get more dollars off. I'm definitely going to purchase more, and I also feel like these are good little miniature gifts that you can send to your friends, have them try it out, see what they say about it. So yeah, so that's where I'm going to end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review, and if you have any comments, questions, please leave it in my comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to like, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.